What are the best superfoods to consume? Superfoods are full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, but they also contain amino acids, which are the basic structural building blocks of proteins. Proteins make up the bulk of all your cell's structure. They also act as enzymes for cellular reactions. There are 8 essential amino acids. They are: number 1 equals tryptophan, which reduces anxiety and depression, helps with migraines, helps the immune system, reduces heart spasms. It is also a natural relaxant and aids in normal sleep. Taken with lysine, it reduces cholesterol levels in the blood. Number 2 equals lysine, improves formation of bone cartilage and connective tissues. It aids in the absorption of calcium. It aids in the production of enzymes, hormones, and the production of antibodies that help fight diseases and illness. Number 3 equals methionine, is the supplier of sulfur, which prevents problems with hair, nails and skin. Methionine aids in the liver's production of lecithin, reduces liver fat and helps protect the kidneys. Methionine also aids in reducing bladder irritations and infections and promotes hair growth. Number 4 equals phenylalanine, keeps you awake and alert. It is used in the brain to produce a chemical that transmits signals between the brain and the nerve cells. Phenylalanine helps to improve your memory and also reduces hunger pains. Number 5 equals threonine, aids in digestion and intestinal tract functions. It also helps reduce liver fat. Number 6 equals valine, calms emotions and aids with mental vigor. It also aids with muscle coordination. Number 7 and number 8 work together. They are leucine and isoleucine. They help to produce essential biochemical components in the body, production of energy, stimulate the brain and aid with alertness. There are also non-essential amino acids. Why they are called non-essential is somewhat of a mystery, since all of them are needed for different biochemical reactions in the body, as you will see. Arginine improves immune response, promotes wound healing, aids in regeneration of the liver, and is needed for muscle growth. Tyrosine aids in healthy functioning of the thyroid and pituitary glands, helps to improve memory and transmits impulses to the brain. Glycine is required during cell production to release oxygen. It also aids in the production of essential hormones in the immune system. Serine is essential in storing glucose in the muscles and liver. Also aids in the immune system and produces a fatty acid cover to protect nerve fibers. Aspartic acid aids in the removal of ammonia from the body. Ammonia is toxic to the body, and aspartic acid helps to protect our body from the poison until it is expressed through the urine. Glutamic acid helps improve mental capacities, aids in healing ulcers and helps with fatigue. Alanine is a source of energy for the muscles, brain and nervous system. Alanine produces antibodies that help the immune system. Cysteine is an antioxidant and aids in the protection against pollutants. It can help the aging process. It is necessary in the production of skin. Proline is vital in the functioning of joints and helps to strengthen the heart muscle. Taurine is necessary in the removal of free radical waste from the body. It is a factor that is necessary for changes that take place during aging. Histidine is found in the blood. It is used to treat several diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, ulcers, and anemia. These are just a few of the amino acids that are essential in your diet for better health. It is very important that you choose foods that are rich in amino acids as well as vitamins and minerals for your health. Superfoods are believed to contain the highest numbers of amino acids, vitamins and minerals. If you go to Google and type in superfoods, you will find several sites, all telling you about the same thing, that eating a natural diet will protect you from several diseases and illnesses. Here are the ones that most people agree on. They are readily available in markets: apples, avocados, tomatoes, bananas, cabbage, carrots, garlic, onions, potatoes, sweet potatoes, oranges, cantaloupe, broccoli, watermelon, dry beans, spinach, kale, salmon and other oily fish, flaxseed, oats, soya, blueberries, cranberries, squash, almonds, beets, ginger, olive oil, tea, chili peppers, mushrooms, papaya, pineapple, kiwi, mangoes, apricots, pumpkin, walnuts, yogurt, parsley, sage, rosemary, cinnamon, Brussels sprouts, lentils, pomegranates, Concord grapes and Brazil nuts. After much research I found that not all of the foods I studied were true superfoods. You have to consider where and how your food is grown. They do however contain the necessary ingredients to be beneficial in your diet. It is absolutely true that you need various foods that react together for improved benefits in the body. If you consume an avocado, you will reap the rewards, but if you consume a grapefruit with your avocado, they work as a team to fight disease and illness. This is true for most foods. There are however exceptions, and they are wild salmon, tomatoes, broccoli and broccoli sprouts, kale, spinach, garlic, onions, blueberries, walnuts, pomegranates, depending how and where they are grown. Then there's goji berries, mulberries, golden berries, sago berries, acai berries, noni fruit, mangosteen fruit, bee pollen, royal jelly, green tea, sea vegetables, quinoa, and umbashi plum. Sea vegetables are true superfoods. They contain significant amounts of protein, and they also contain all the minerals found in the ocean. They offer 10 to 20 times the vitamins and minerals found in plants grown on land, with just a few exceptions. There is a reason for this. We, as a population, have depleted our soils of the necessary nutrients that plants absorb. We also use chemicals and pesticides on our crops. These chemicals and pesticides are non-selective and destroy everything, even the microbacteria and microfungi that is digested by the plants. When you purchase an apple from the store, it is usually lacking most of the minerals that the soil once provided, minerals that are essential to our health. This is not true for the sea vegetables. The ocean is still productive, we have yet to destroy it, and therefore it is a rich source for your health. Kelp, blue-green algae, spirulina, chlorella, dulse, alaria, sea lettuce, Irish moss, kombu, wakame, and nori are all rich in vitamins, minerals and all the essential amino acids. Some fruits that are grown wild in other parts of the world are also true superfoods and are still rich in nutrients because the soils are not depleted. The mangosteen fruit is native to Southeast Asia. It has been studied for 20 years by independent labs and doctors for its medicinal uses. It contains 25,000 antioxidants, the highest number ever found in one food source. It contains amino acids as well as a vast majority of vitamins and minerals. The goji berry is native to Asia. It contains amino acids and essential minerals and vitamins. Mulberries are native to Turkey. They are high in vitamin C, iron, calcium and protein. Golden berries are native to Colombia and Peru. Sago berries are native to South America. Umbashi plum is native to Japan. Noni fruit is native to Polynesia. The acai berry has 30 times more antioxidants than blueberries, all 8 essential amino acids and trace minerals. The list goes on, but what you eat is up to you. Your health is in your hands. If you are already suffering with a disease or illness, or you're prone to certain diseases or illness due to family history, then there are a few things you need to know. If vegetables are cooked at over 118 degrees, the heat will destroy most of the beneficial properties. You cannot eat as much as you need, which is 8 to 10 servings a day. But there is a solution. You can juice your way to health. The food pyramid has changed, which came as no surprise to me. I still have trouble with this type of system. Not everyone needs the same things, and every person on this planet is different and has different nutritional requirements. There are some terms you need to understand before we continue. Vitamins equals nutrients that are necessary to your health. A shortage or an excessive amount for extended periods can cause health problems. Phytonutrients equals these are antioxidants that are plant-derived. They help to improve your health but are not required. Grotoids equals they are in the dark coloring of the skin of fruits and vegetables. Pigments, they are also antioxidants. There are dozens of grotoids. Free radical equals they disrupt living cells by attacking them. Free radicals are missing an electron and they steal one from other cells. They are responsible for all diseases and illness due to their damage. Free radicals are in air and water pollution, and in junk foods we eat. You cannot escape from them. They are a part of life. Free radical damage accumulates with age if you do not protect yourself. Antioxidants equals they neutralize free radicals by donating their extra electron. All antioxidants have an extra electron. Antioxidants protect us from free radical damage. Antioxidants are called scavengers. They prevent cell and tissue damage, which leads to disease and illness. They are absolutely required for optimum health in very large numbers every day. Synergy equals nutrients that are taken in combinations. These combinations cause the nutrients to become more powerful than when taken alone. Notice that the list above states that people agree that blueberries are a superfood. Not all foods have been studied. Take the cherry. Its deep rich red color is full of grotoids, or it would not have that great color. The cherry has not been extensively studied yet. What does this mean for you? Be wise and eat fruits and vegetables that have the darkest and richest colors, in combinations, to receive maximum benefits. Do not make the mistake that others have made and write off all the unlisted fruits and vegetables. Everything that grows in the ground has benefits for your health. Your food choices are a life or death decision, so do your research and find the best solutions for your health. Beans may reduce the risk of heart disease. Lentils support heart health. Berries of all kinds have synergistic effects and are scavengers of free radicals. Citrus fruits are all full of antioxidants. Vegetables steamed on low heat are a great source of fiber and complex carbohydrates. Sea vegetables are bursting with grotoids, vitamins, minerals and amino acids and can be found in many forms, tablet or powder. Sea vegetables support your whole body. Green leafy vegetables are bursting with high health nutrients as well as supporting the heart, brain and bones. Nuts help reduce the risk of heart disease. Oats are a prime source of complex carbohydrates and full of fiber. Cold water, wild fish, not farm-raised, contain beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, necessary for coronary heart health. Wild salmon, trout and tuna all contain different amounts and should all be consumed. Seeds and nuts help balance hormones and have antioxidant activities. Soy packs a punch with its antioxidation effects. Mangosteen fruit is bursting with antioxidants and works in your entire body for your overall health. There is some evidence that men and women need different nutrients to support biological needs. Men need to protect themselves against prostate cancer, bladder cancer, testosterone levels, sperm counts, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Men should add 5 tomatoes, or 5 servings of tomato sauce, a week to their diet to protect them from prostate cancer. 3 oysters a day have the full day's supply of zinc, which is essential for the male reproductive system, testosterone and sperm counts. Men are 3 times more likely to get bladder cancer than women. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts and cabbage, eaten 5 times a week, shows a reduction in this disease according to the studies. Eating a handful of unsalted peanuts every day helps lower your bad cholesterol levels, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease. Potassium can reduce the risk of high blood pressure and stroke. Watermelon and other melons can help reduce your chances of developing high blood pressure. Women need to protect themselves against gallbladder disease, breast cancer and fight osteoporosis. Women tend to be anemic due to low iron levels, and women suffer with menopausal hot flashes. Women with low vitamin C levels are more likely to develop gallbladder disease than those with higher levels of vitamin C. Papaya has twice the amount of vitamin C than an orange. Flaxseed is rich in an estrogen-like compound called lignans. Make sure to get the seeds and grind them in a coffee grinder. You can put them on cereal or mix muffin mix as there are no lignans in flaxseed oil. Lignans have effectively slowed tumor growth in women that already have breast cancer. Vitamin K along with vitamin D and calcium are all important nutrients for fighting osteoporosis. Women that get enough vitamin K are 30% less likely to suffer fractures in their later years. Collard greens are the best source for this protection, although dark green leafy vegetables, Brussels sprouts, spinach and broccoli are also good sources. Women tend to be lower in iron than men due to menstruation, and this can cause severe fatigue. To get the highest doses of iron, you should try buffalo meat. You get an easily digestible 3 milligrams of iron in a 3 ounces portion of this very lean meat. In later life, women tend to suffer with the dreaded hot flashes. There may be relief found in tofu. A half cup of tofu contains 30 milligrams of isoflavones, which are plant chemicals that have a structure that is similar to estrogen and may offer some relief from hot flashes. For men and women alike, make sure to add superfoods to your diet, such as sea vegetables, mangosteen fruit juice, goji berry juice, or other berry juices. Being healthy takes effort on your part. Do not put your health into someone else's hands. They are not you, and their nutritional requirements may be different than yours. Everyone is an expert when it comes to their own health, Read and listen to the information, but please make an informed choice for yourself. Do the research. Your life and the quality of your life is in your hands.